Welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help you take control of your personal finances and make smarter decisions. We're diving into the world of AI-driven personal finance tools that can assist you with budgeting and saving. So let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's talk about why personal finance management is crucial. Many people struggle with budgeting and saving, which can lead to financial stress and uncertainty. AI technology has made significant advancements in recent years, and it's here to lend a helping hand. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the way we manage our money. It can analyze vast amounts of data, provide personalized insights, and even automate certain tasks. So, let's explore some of the AI-driven tools that can transform your financial journey. Let's dive into the world of AI-driven budgeting software. These innovative tools are designed to take the hassle out of budgeting and provide you with personalized financial guidance. When you connect your financial accounts to an AI-driven budgeting tool, it begins analyzing your income, expenses, and spending patterns. The tool uses sophisticated algorithms to categorize your transactions automatically, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going. One of the significant advantages of these tools is their ability to create a customized budget plan tailored specifically to your financial situation. They take into account your income, fixed expenses, and financial goals to provide you with a realistic budget that aligns with your needs. These budgeting tools offer real-time updates, charts, and graphs that help you visualize your financial health. You can see how much you've spent in different categories, track your progress towards your savings goals, and identify areas where you might be overspending. What sets AI-driven budgeting tools apart is their ability to provide personalized insights and suggestions. They can analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. For example, the tool might recommend reducing your dining out expenses or finding cheaper alternatives for certain products or services. Additionally, these tools can alert you when you're going off track with your budget. If you're spending too much in a particular category or approaching your spending limit, the tool can notify you in real time. This feature acts as a virtual financial advisor, helping you stay accountable and make smarter spending decisions. Another advantage of AI-driven budgeting software is the automation it offers. Some tools can automatically allocate funds to different categories in your budget, making it easier to stay on top of your financial goals. You can set up automatic savings transfers or even have the tool pay your bills for you, ensuring that you never miss a payment. Overall, AI-driven budgeting tools empower you to take control of your finances with ease and efficiency. They provide valuable insights, personalized recommendations, and real-time updates, helping you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Remember, while these tools are powerful, they are meant to assist you in managing your finances. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly based on your changing circumstances and priorities. By combining the benefits of AI technology with your own financial acumen, you'll be well on your way to a healthier financial future. When you connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and e-wallets to an AI-powered expense tracking tool, it uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically categorize your transactions. This eliminates the need for manual entry, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. With AI-driven expense tracking, you can say goodbye to the tedious task of sorting through receipts and manually recording each expense. The tool analyzes transaction details such as merchant names, amounts, and transaction descriptions to categorize them appropriately. By automatically categorizing your transactions, these tools give you a clear overview of your spending habits. You can see how much you're spending on categories like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and more. This information allows you to identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Another advantage of AI-powered expense tracking is the ability to provide you with real-time updates and insights. You can see your expenses in a visually appealing format, such as charts or graphs, that help you understand your spending patterns at a glance. These tools also offer customizable budgeting features. You can set spending limits for different categories and receive notifications when you're approaching or exceeding those limits. This feature acts as a helpful reminder to stay within your budget and make mindful spending decisions. Additionally, AI-driven expense tracking tools provide a comprehensive view of your finances. They bring together transactions from various accounts, allowing you to see your financial picture in one place. This holistic view enables you to understand your overall spending and make informed decisions about your financial goals. Some AI-powered expense tracking tools go beyond basic categorization and offer advanced features. Additionally, AI-powered savings optimization tools can help you negotiate bills and reduce your regular expenses. They analyze your bills, such as utilities, internet, and insurance, and leverage their knowledge of market rates and available promotions to negotiate better deals on your behalf. This can lead to significant savings without requiring much effort from you. These tools also provide personalized savings goals based on your financial situation. By analyzing your income, expenses, and financial goals, the tool suggests realistic savings targets that align with your circumstances. This helps you stay motivated and on track to achieve your savings goals. AI-driven savings optimization tools offer insights and recommendations on how to optimize your saving strategies. They may suggest ways to reduce unnecessary expenses, highlight potential cost-saving opportunities, or recommend investment options that can help your savings grow over time. Another advantage of AI-driven savings optimization tools is their ability to adapt and learn from your behavior. As you continue to use the tool and it analyzes your financial patterns, it becomes more accurate in its recommendations and better understands your individual needs. By leveraging AI technology, these tools empower you to save more effectively and efficiently. They take the guesswork out of saving, provide personalized recommendations, and automate the process, making it easier to reach your financial goals. And there you have it, folks. AI-driven personal finance tools are changing the game when it comes to budgeting and saving. From smart budgeting software to automated expense tracking, savings optimization, and investment assistance, these tools can provide you with the knowledge and guidance you need to achieve your financial goals. However, keep in mind that while AI is incredibly powerful, it's essential to exercise your own judgment and remain actively involved in your financial decisions. These tools are designed to assist you, not replace your decision-making abilities. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy budgeting and saving.